Hi flute players, Miss Shaw here. In this video I will show you how to play the note D. Now I'll turn around so you can see what I'm doing. I'm pushing down the thumb key. Then I'm pushing down number 1, 2, 3. Now remember, right after your fourth finger here, which we call this 3 because it's just 3 keys, 1, 2, 3. You'll know you're in the right place because the very next thing is the hockey looking key, and we're not pushing that down now. So it's going to be thumb, skip, skip together, right hand 1, 2, 3. No pinky. Now I am going to pick this up. I'm not using this key. But the reason I say that at the end is because I've seen too many students slide their hand down, and we never slide our hands down. Our fingers are dedicated to certain keys. The thumb is dedicated to this key. It means they are always together. This pointer finger only belongs to this key. If you don't push this key down, you just stay up above it. So again, it's going to be thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. Not pushing this down, okay? And then I'll turn around so you can see what that looks like. And I'll come up front again. Now, when I see students have problems, sometimes they are just not pushing these keys down all the way. If these keys are not pushed down all the way, air comes out under the holes and your sound won't come out. And many times I see students slide their hands down, and that's one of the biggest problems. So thumb, only the second and third key. One just stays above the key, supporting the flute. Thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, what is definitely challenging that will require a lot of practice is going from D to C, D, C, D, C, D, C. Now, if you lose your balance and your flute is wobbling around, it means that you need to be more careful about supporting it with your left index finger, your left pointer, and your thumb. Because the next thing you will practice after you learn D is going back and forth from D to C. I'll do it this way. Okay, I promise you it will take practice. I don't expect you to get it the very first time, but it will come if you spend some time practicing. You can practice blowing it. You can practice moving your fingers in the air. You can also practice, let's see, if I was sitting down and I put my flute like on my knee, and I just moved my hands back and forth. That is another way to practice. So there are lots of ways to go about training your fingers where to go. Blowing is one skill. Training your fingers where to go is another skill. I hope this is helpful to you. Happy practicing.